Okay, coming to you live from Sunnyvale here in the Cloud Center, and I'm here with Matt Ingenthron. Matt, how are you?
Doing well, yourself?
I'm doing very good. So now you are at Couchbase.
Correct.
And you've been there, what you said, employee number 3?
I was employee number 3 of one of the two trunks of the tree, if you will. So now that we're Couchbase, we had merged a couple companies, Membase and Couch One, in January of 2011.
So Couch One? And Memloss?
No, Membase.
Okay, got it. So it became Couchbase. I'm just kidding.
Exactly.
So tell me a little bit about the NoSQL thing that we call
Sure.
Couchbase.
Yeah, so the Couchbase is one of the entries in sort of that area of NoSQL databases. Couchbase's focus is really in being the NoSQL database behind interactive web applications. So the way that we do things is we're very much designed to be simple to program to. You can toss just objects, binary objects, or JSON data into the system very, very fast. We have an integrated caching layer. We've made sure that we can that we're multi-threaded at every level, that we use asynchronous programming interfaces, so it's super, super fast. And then probably a really key thing is that it's very, very easy to scale, because we've simplified some of the semantics of how you interact with the system, so we can grow a cluster from just a few nodes to 100 nodes or 1,000 nodes very, very quickly. So we're deployed at places like Zynga and Orbitz and Salesforce. So it's been a really exciting few years just getting it out there and getting people using Couchbase.
So how would you position yourselves against, say, something like Cassandra, React, Mongo? Where would you say the use cases are where you guys would definitely make more sense, or where your sweet spot is?
I think our sweet spot, to be really honest, is that we're, in many cases, much more appropriate for a lot of real production applications. If you look at where we are deployed, we don't lose data.
That's a big deal.
Yeah, we index things very, very well. We're, like I said, super fast. In some cases, like I'll take the AOL ad targeting case. AOL has a situation where they need to serve up an ad in under 40 milliseconds, right? And so in order to do that, they need to be able to get data out of the system in just a matter of a millisecond or so. And we can do that on a regular basis. So for small data operations, we can serve things up in under a milli, so that the ad tier can then spend, that means that they can spend the remaining 39 millis with better advertising logic, deciding what to send to the user.
And now, so we're here at DevOps Day, and you guys
Yep.
are actually one of the sponsors, right?
Yep.
So what is your DevOps message? Or did you just come here to learn, or what's the...
We came here in part because I think we're one of the best systems. I don't know if you've seen Couchbase at all, but we've actually spent, a lot of this came out of our early work with Zynga. We did a lot of, and out of some of the projects like the Memcached project historically, where we have lots of good metrics we can pull out of the underlying system to make it really easy for ops folks to be able to manage the system. And Memcache, we're Memcached compatible, so you can just switch from Memcached to Couchbase. In some cases, you can just take that SQL database away from underneath it. As a colleague of mine says, it's writing negative lines of code. You just go through and remove those lines of code that are using a SQL database. So the idea here is that we know that there are a lot of people in the DevOps world who've deployed this kind of thing to speed up existing applications, to be able to make apps scale, and we know that we have a really good message for how you can use Couchbase as the database behind the back end. So we want to hit developers, but we also know that we have a great appeal to ops guys, because it's really simple to manage and scale.
Excellent. Matt Ingenthron, thank you so much.
Great, thank you.